Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Did you know that umbrellas were not invented for rain? Thousands of years ago, people used them only to block the sun. Ancient civilizations across Asia, Africa, and Europe were making umbrellas from leaves, paper, and cloths long before waterproof materials even existed. Then everything changed. Waterproof materials arrived, and suddenly this simple sun blocker became the rain companion. Over time, it got lighter, stronger, and easier to carry. Now, this one small invention has been protecting billions of people from both sunshine and rain for thousands of years. তো আমি সর্বশেষে ওটাও কইমু যে সবসময় আমরা আতো যেটা ক্যারি করি এটার পিছনে দীর্ঘ একটা ইতিহাস থাকে। That's the power of a simple idea. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. ধন্যবাদ।